In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make stories, tasks, and bugs in Jira. Whether you're managing a software project or coordinating a team effort, understanding how to navigate and use Jira effectively can make all the difference in maintaining a smooth workflow. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about user stories. These are pivotal in conveying the customer's perspective. Start by navigating to the project in Jira. This is your main workspace where you organize all your tasks. Once you're there, you'll see a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click it. You'll be presented with several options for issue types. Here, you want to select Story. This categorizes your entry as a user story, which is integral for tracking feature development from a user standpoint. Now, with the story issue type selected, you'll notice several fields that need completing. These include a summary, which is essentially a concise statement of the feature or user requirement. Next, move on to the description field. This is where you can elaborate on the user's journey or the specific feature details. You might also see other fields that are relevant to your project, like priority or components, so make sure you fill those out as needed. Once all the details are complete, simply click Create. Your user story is now a trackable piece of your project. Moving on to tasks, which represent the actionable items necessary for project progression. Again, start by navigating to your project in Jira. Click on the Create button once more. For this step, you'll choose Task as the issue type. This will tell the system that you are inputting a specific piece of work needed to accomplish the broader goals of your project. Similar to before, you'll need to fill in the necessary details. The summary here should succinctly describe the task at hand, providing enough context for anyone who's assigned to it. In the description, outline exactly what needs to be done. This ensures clarity and helps whoever is tasked with it understand its importance and execution requirements. If there are other fields available and relevant, such as deadlines or assigned personnel, make sure they are addressed. Once everything is in place, click Create to add this task to your project board. Finally, let's cover bugs. Bugs are critical to resolve as they represent any flaws in your software or process. Head back to your project dashboard in Jira and click Create. This time, select Bug as the issue type. Identifying it as a bug ensures it's tracked properly within your workflow and gets the attention needed for resolution. As always, fill in the details, starting with a summary that highlights the main issue. In the description, go into more detail about the problem and ideally how it was encountered. Including as much information as possible here can accelerate the troubleshooting process. Also, utilize any other relevant fields to provide additional context, then press Create. Your bug is now logged, and there you have it. You've successfully added user stories, tasks, and bugs to your project in Jira. Mastering these skills will bolster your project management capabilities and keep your teams aligned and productive. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.